Legal representative Section 211 of CPC. This section defines legal representative. It states that legal representative means a person who in law represents the estate of a deceased person and includes any person who intermeddles with the estate of the deceased, and where a party sues or is sued in a representative character, the person on whom the estate devolves on the death of the party so suing or sued. The expression legal representative is very wide and inclusive in character. The following persons are held to be legal representatives: executors, administrators, reversioners, Hindu coparceners, residuary legatees. The following persons are not considered as legal representatives: trespasser, trustee, official assignee, receiver.